Nothing beats the simplicity of a roast chicken, and this Christmas we're going to show you 2 ways to do it.
So we've got a butter-basted version versus a brined version. Now we've already made our brine, simply water, salt, and a lot of flavorings. Now you need to make sure that the brine is completely cool before you add your chicken. If you press for time, I'd say an hour, but preferably you want to do this overnight.
So I think Christmas deserves a lot of butter, and this recipe has just that. So for my chicken, I'm going to put some butter under the skin as well as on top. So I've flavored my butter with herbs and a little bit of chili for kick. And be generous, guys. This is going to be all the flavor that's added to the chicken.
So our chickens have gone into the fridge for about an hour, just so that the skin can dry out and crisp up oh so beautifully in that oven.
And I'm saving my butter to baste as I go to ensure that juicy, juicy chicken.